Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Drcowu electronic kitchen scale. Ooh, this is a large food scale, 33 pound, up to 33 pound. It's a kitchen scale, a digital weight device which can measure in grams and ounces for baking, for cooking, for keto meal preparation with zero point 0.1 ounces per 1 gram precision graduation. 5 units are possible. We have the Tare function and we have a big backlit display. And we have here a food scale. The Drcowu kitchen scale provides precise measurements with 4 high precision sensors, ensuring 1 gram accuracy with 33 pounds. These are 15 kilogram capacity and an 0.01 ounces. This is a 1 gram division. It's perfect for all our cooking needs. It has a Tare function and a minimum measuring weight of 2 grams. And we have a big backlit display. The Dutch display ensures an easy readability of measurements, even from a distance, benefit those who struggle with reading small numbers. And 5 units options. Enhance our cooking experience with the versatile Drcowu digital food scale. This offering us 5 measuring units: kilogram, pound, ounces, avalanches, milliliters, and gram to suit any recipe. The blue LCD display integrated into the scale ensures easy readability and reserves as a valuable tool for cooking, baking, tracking, intake, weight loss, and keto diet. The Tare function is really cool. The Tare function allows us for accurate portion control when high weight individual food items. For example, if we want to measure a specific amount of nuts or spices, we can place a bowl on the scale. Then we push the Tare button. This is a touch button. And then we add the desired amount of the integrations. This ensures we are precise in measurements, particularly when following recipes that require exact quantities. And of course, easy to clean. This kitchen scale is stainless steel made. Top, it is waterproof. This making it faultless to wipe down and keep it clean. Its durable construction resists rust and corrosion, ensuring a longevity. With its easy maintenance, this scale is a convenient and reliable tool for precise measurements in our kitchen. And we have round corner design. The Drcowu food scale prioritizes safety with its rounded corner design, minimizing the risk of accident cuts or injuries during use. Additionally, these design elements enhance the scale's aesthetic appeal, thus marking its stylish addition to our kitchen, of course. We have all included what we need. We have the K71H electronic kitchen scale, and of course, we have the AAA batteries included. We will need 2 of them. It is not a coin cell build. That's good because coin cells are so expensive at the moment on the market, and AAA batteries are better for this because it's a tool-free replacement. Okay, the product itself adopts low power design. Okay, then the batteries. After we purchase this product, we have to properly install the batteries according to the positive and negative terminals. So we have to look through for this thing at the AAA battery installation process. We can use the product after the installation is done. When the low voltage is displayed, we have to replace the batteries. And on the screen, we will see negative value. If there is a negative proc, that means we have the Tare function and we remove the part, for example, then it will go to the negative value. return to 0. This is the Tare function, Tare function. We have on the right upper side unit for weight of gram, unit of weight of pound per oz. We have unit of volume, FL, and unit for volume in milliliters. This will shown on the screen for you. To use this scale, it's really easy. We press the on and off key to turn on the turn it off the scale. When the scale is in shutdown mode, we can press on off to key to turn the scale on or off. Okay, and then the scale is in start up mode. We can on off the key to turn the scale on or off. Then we place the loading tray on the scale body, for example, okay? Then we press the T-A-R-E button to remove the tare weight. Only after there is displayed, we can weight be added to the scale body for measurement, okay? This scale provides a variety of units to we can choose from. We press the unit UNIT button for cycling the selection, of course. And then it's done, and we can make a really good bakery job or a kitchen job or whatever. Really cool because it looks nice and it makes a good job. This is the Drcowu large food scale, up to 33 pounds of capacity. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.